Audubon Park Premium Blend Wild Bird Feed, made right here in the USA. Last year was the first year I got a bird feeder, and I got a 5-pound bag of it, and they just went through it super fast. So I thought best thing for me this year is to get a 20-pound bag and see how long it lasts. You can see the bag arrives. It's got a handle on it right here, which is great for helping me get it from upstairs to downstairs. I like to work this strip back to a certain point, cut it off. That way I can take a repurposed water bottle, and in this case I'm using a Propel bottle because it's a little bit thicker, and then I can just reach in there and fill up my bird feeder and not have to worry about spilling so much, because it is hard to hold on to a 20-pound bag and fill up a little thing like this. Nice mixture of little stuff in here. We got sunflower seeds, we got some corn pieces in here, everything a wild bird likes. I get cardinals, I get sparrows, all kinds of wild birds, and I even have an oriole that's been showing up lately. And then when I'm done, I'll throw my bottle in here, roll it up, and use one of those chip clips on top of the bag to keep it as fresh as possible until I need it next time.